Hello guys, today I have it's a Redmi A3x. It's a Redmi A3x. Here's the phone. It's just that I already opened at the back because of I must use the test point. If you can quietly check, there's that FRP lock there, that lock on top is there, you see. So yeah, I'm about to start now. I already opened the phone at the back because it takes time. So and the back glass, it can break easily, so I had to do it off camera and then come back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me check. So yeah, now you can see that lock is there. You can see it properly now. You see, the phone is locked. So let me not waste time, guys. Let me just because I've already opened at the back. Xiaomi. SPD, okay. A3x test point. Oh yeah, there you are. I have to get my tweezer. So y'all won't be able to see when I test point the phone because I don't have my other cam with me, but then I'll just do it off. A3x. Here's my device. SPD. Now I'm gonna connect my phone with the test point on. Okay, wait a minute. I'm connecting. It's connected. Yeah, let me just try to do this. Done. I'm done, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit the like button, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell notification to get more of my videos when I upload one. It's an Android 16. Okay. It's an Android 16. It's 2026 May patch. Okay. So yeah, there it is, guys. Surely now you can see that the FRP lock, it's gone on top there. Skip setup offline. Where is setup offline? Yes. Now I'm done, guys. I'm done. It's your boy HTM unlock server. It's your boy HTM. I'm done. Today is the 13th of July 2026. You can see the time. So yeah, guys, I'm done. Why is it taking so long? Then